Your credit score is more than just a number. It can literally cost you thousands of dollars over time. It affects your ability to get loans, credit cards, apartments, and even some jobs. Most people unknowingly make mistakes that lower their credit score. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 common credit score mistakes and show you how to avoid them, step by step. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. The biggest factor affecting your credit score is payment history. It makes up 35% of your score. Even a single late payment can stay on your report for months and signal banks that you're a risk. Tips to fix it: always pay at least the minimum on time. Set reminders or auto pay for recurring bills. If you missed a payment, catch up immediately. Some banks may even remove late fees after discussion. Remember, on-time payments build trust with lenders and protect your score. Credit utilization is how much of your available credit you're using. Experts recommend keeping it below 30%. Example: if your credit limit is $10,000, keep your balance under $3,000. High utilization makes banks think you're desperate for money. Tips: pay down balances before the statement closes. Spread expenses across multiple cards. Don't close old cards unnecessarily. That reduces your total available credit. Mistake 3: closing old credit accounts. Many people think closing unused credit cards will improve their score. It doesn't. Your credit history length matters. Accounts open for years show long-term responsibility. Closing old accounts can shorten your credit history and lower your score. Tips: keep old accounts open even if unused. Use them occasionally to maintain activity. Focus on responsible usage, not just limits. Mistake 4: too many new credit inquiries. Every time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry appears on your report. Multiple inquiries in a short period signal financial instability. Tips: apply for credit only when necessary. Space out credit applications by a few months. Monitor your credit report regularly to catch unnecessary inquiries. Mistake 5: ignoring credit mix. Lenders like to see you manage different types of credit: credit cards, loans, mortgages, student loans. Having only one type of credit can slightly limit your score growth. Don't open new accounts just for variety. Be strategic. Show consistent responsibility with multiple types of accounts. Over time, a healthy credit mix improves your credibility. Some common myths to avoid: checking your own credit doesn't lower it. Carrying a balance does not improve your score. Your income has little effect. Behavior matters more than salary. Avoiding these 5 mistakes can save you thousands and improve your financial future. Pay bills on time, keep balances low, maintain old accounts, be careful with new applications, and manage a healthy credit mix. If this video helped you understand credit scores better, like this video, subscribe to WealthWise, and turn on notifications for weekly finance tips. See you in the next video, where we'll explore how to rebuild your credit fast after mistakes.